Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce creamy pasta. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh dairy and quality pasta. We'll begin by creating a classic roux, which is essential for thickening our sauce and providing a rich base. Then, we'll gradually incorporate liquids, whisking constantly to prevent lumps and achieve a smooth consistency. Finally, we'll combine everything for a truly indulgent dish. To start, you'll need a few key ingredients. Begin with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and an equal amount of all-purpose flour to form your roux. For the liquid, have 2 cups of whole milk or half and half warmed slightly, which helps prevent lumps. Don't forget 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a pinch of nutmeg for that authentic flavor. Now let's make that incredible sauce. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once it's foamy, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute to create a pale roux. Slowly pour in 2 cups of warm milk, whisking vigorously to ensure no lumps form. Continue to cook and whisk until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency, about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your sauce is perfectly thick, remove it from the heat. Stir in 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese until it's fully melted and incorporated, then season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Add your cooked pasta directly to the sauce, tossing gently to coat every strand evenly. Serve immediately for the best experience. For other great deals, and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.